You are watching part 9 of the full series of Java interview questions. These are the 5 questions we are going to discuss in this session. Can we assign the reference to this variable? Can this keyword be used to refer static members? How can constructor chaining be done using this keyword? What are the advantages of passing this into a method instead of the current class object itself? What is the inheritance? First question. Can we assign the reference to this variable? The answer is no. This cannot be assigned to any value because it always points to the current class object, and this is the final reference in Java. However, if we try to do so, the compiler error will be shown. Second question. Can this keyword be used to refer static members? The answer is yes. It is possible to use this keyword to refer static members because this is just a reference variable which refers to the current class object. However, as we know that it is unnecessary to access static variables through objects, it is not the best practice to use this to refer static members. Third question. How can constructor chaining be done using this keyword? Constructor chaining enables us to call one constructor from another constructor of the class with respect to the current class object. We can use this keyword to perform constructor chaining within the same class. Next question. What are the advantages of passing this into a method instead of the current class object itself? As we know that this refers to the current class object, it must be similar to the current class object. However, there can be 2 main advantages of passing this into a method instead of the current class object. This is a final variable. Therefore, this cannot be assigned to any new value, whereas the current class object might not be final and can be changed. This can be used in the synchronized block. Next question. What is the inheritance? Inheritance is a mechanism by which one object acquires all the properties and behavior of another object of another class. It is used for code reusability and method overriding. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse methods and fields of the parent class. Moreover, you can add new methods and fields in your current class also. Inheritance represents the is a relationship which is also known as a parent-child relationship. Hope you have learned something and feel confident to answer the questions we discussed so far. Here is the list of questions that will be discussed in the next session. Please check out our playlist for more questions and subscribe our channel for updates and notifications. Good luck for your upcoming interviews.